Welcome to my new YouTube video. Oh, ayan, Day. Sige, mag-ayos ka pa ng camera mo. Sige, go. Ayan, so, drawing tayo. Kasi stress tayo sa buhay, kaya color na lang tayo, diba? O, diba? Medyo yayamanin yung colored pencils natin for today's video. I'm using Prismacolor Premier colored pencils in their most basic line. The 12 pieces. I don't know how to. Wait. I don't know how to count. Yeah, let's draw the stars. Cause please, I'm a star. Anyway, I will show you agad the finished product kasi na-delete ko yata yung process video dye. So, ayun tayo, diba? Oy. Ay, hindi ko din-delete. Kumbaga, hindi ko binidyohan. Anyway, enjoy my very chaotic video. Let's get into it. Sige, girl, mag-clip ka pa dyan. Mag-clip. Oh, ayan, sige, pudpudin mo yung pencil mo, day. Tipirin mo yan. Mahal-mahal yung set na yan. We bought this set sa Australia kasi, well, pinirahan ko yung mom ko. Charot! Nagpabili ako kasi sabi ko, oh my God, mama, please. I really want this. Binila naman ako. Ayun. Tapos hindi ko ginamit for like a year or something like that. So ayun, let's use it right now kasi, return of investment. Pak, saan ka dyan? Nagkaroon ng details. Di ko binidyohan, diba? Galing ko talaga. Oh, grabe lahat ng galit sa buhay. Sige, girl, drawing mo lang. Girl. Pero diba, it made sense because it added depth. It added depth and go girl, give us shadows. Charis! Artist ka, girl! Go! Halata, hindi ko na alam kung paano voice record. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Anyway, I'm just adding this a bluish purple color just to really give it definition because it was looking a little flat with just the yellow as its base color. So, ayun, may symbolisms tayo. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung ano ibig sabihin yan. Basta eternity, Heracles knot. Ewan ko. Ay, nag-burp sa ate mo. Anyway. Ayun. Laki tayong pa ako. Bayaran niyo ako dahil. Pay me. Charot! Hala. Anyway. So, yeah, I'm just adding a lot of depth to the artwork because I would like to use all of the colors in my collection. I like to make really childish artworks nowadays without really that much just playing along with a lot of color theories, following it or not following it at all because I really like using these pencils. They are so smooth on this notebook. It's called the Midori MD Paper Sketch Journal. I will not stop saying that I won this in a game. Competitive ka, girl. Anyways, go girl, give us depth. Give us feet. Charot! Ayun. Huy, kailan mo titigilan yan? Ay, charot. Pinagalitan yung sarili. Wait, let's fast forward. Wag na nga. Sige, panoorin niyo muna yung ginagawa ko because I'm so interested. Anyway, so I'm pressing down hard on most of the what do you call this? The edges, the lines. I'm trying to create a very dark line so that the stars are more pronounced. Yeah. Wait, what if i-cut ko na dito? Tinotoo ko nga. Anyway, so ayun, finished product. Ay, hindi pa pala, parang may gusto pa akong i-add dyan. Oh, Boogs, inad ko ng background. Sino ka dyan? Nag-add ako ng mga red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Oh, ayan, nalagyan ko pa ng black. Sana masaya na kayo. Kaya may pinagalitan. Anyway, speedrun montage! Charot. So I'm doing this 30-day challenge from Instagram that it's like 30 days, 30 inks, but you're gonna do first lines of a novel or any literary piece that could be read. And for this day, that day 18, I guess, we are doing Rick Riordan's Son of Sobek. It is where Percy and Carter meets, and it is a pretty interesting. Wow! Dual shading! Wow! Chromatography! Boosh! Oh, speedrun montage ka ulit, Day. Kasi nagmamadali. Nagmamadali. Hindi. Para hindi kayo mabored. Oh. Oh, pak. Oh. Second book. Third book. Anong pang ilang book na yan? Magnus Chase, Sword of Summer. This is the first time that I'm getting into Norse mythology because of this series. It's also by Uncle Rick Riordan, and we are using another Sailor Manio dual shading ink. I'm looking at my código. I am using a Kakimori dip nib in steel because I don't not want to ink another pen because I currently have a like 5 or I don't know, but I have more than 3 inked pens, and that is too much for your working girl. Okay? Okay. I hope you understand. Okay, let's get started. We're already started. Let's get started. Anyway, go, go, go. Dip, dip, dip. Anyway, tune into. Go to my IG and you will see the bottles, but also at the end I will also include. Oh, Boosh. Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo? Anong ginagawa mo dahil? Sure. Sorry. Anyway, I hope you are currently enjoying my voiceover. Oh, Boosh. Dual shade. Oh, purple tapos may green. Oh, speedrun montage ulit. So now we're going to the Trials of Apollo, and it is the first book, which is The Hidden Oracle, in which we are introduced to a character who is a god who turned into a mortal. So I forgot the first name. Is it Papadopoulos? That's his last name as his Earth last name. Okay. We are using yet again another one of the Manio dual shading ink. As you can see, I am enjoying it very much because of the chromatography that it is showing on the paper. Oh, Boosh, kaya niya yan, Day. ASMR. Anyway, I am really enjoying these inks. I got them for a very steal price. Oh, wow, nice! Purple, green, blue. Yeah, this is more purple and the other one was a lot more green. I mean the base color. Oh, speedrun. Speedrun ulit, Day. Oh, sino ka dyan, Pak? We are using the bluest of the blue. I think this is called the Koke. It's not really showing well in camera, but it has also the purple dual shading. I really like this blue. It was so nice. I had to use it for the Percy Jackson chalice of the gods because we meet Percy Jackson again. And here is the finished product. I put all the swatches there inside of birds with bottles. With bottles. Ayan, thank you very much. This is the end of my video. Bye!